This tutorial is on how to delete a project. So look at your left bar and go to project. I'm going to create one for the sake of this tutorial so we can delete it, and then press create. So if we scroll down, you can find it right here. So click these three little dots right here and click settings. And then there are actually two options on discarding a project. If there's still some items in the project which you want to look back on, then you can archive it and then access the files, or you can permanently delete it. So click discard and then click action right here and then delete, and then it'll delete the project.